Hello everybody, this is Caroline Alizan, an associate and a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, December 29th of 2010, and we're looking at the Q's daily chart. And look what we see here today. We're still inside that rising wedge on a daily chart that I have drawn here on my chart, and it's here between these two thick black trend lines that we have, and we kept talking about them for quite a while, and we've been actually talking about them for quite a while here. And check this out, we're still below it, forming a little doji in here at resistance, getting closer and closer to the high that was made back on December 22nd. So they're getting closer and closer to it, but we are not ready to make it there yet. And we're still having that thick wall and that brick wall here to break through to continue to the upside. So what we need to pay really close attention to here tomorrow is that high of 54.96 that we were talking about yesterday, as well as the low of yesterday, which was at the 54.55 mark, which I wanted you to pay close attention to today. And we didn't even make it quite close to it yet, so pay close attention to it tomorrow. So if we went higher and if we broke through that high of 54.96 and closed above it, then we could have some more potential to the upside to that next major area of resistance right here, the 55.06 mark. But if we instead broke back to the downside, we'll have to first of all break through the low of yesterday, which was at the 54.55 mark, and then close below it. And then from then on, we could drop big time. And check this out. If we got closer and closer to the low of, let's see which day it was, of December 27th, and the low was at the 54.21 mark, and then if we closed below it, then we would have an M formation confirmed. And M formation is a bearish formation. So if we broke through the low of the 27th of December, which was again at the 54.21 mark, and then close below it, then we would be in a big trouble, and we could head all the way down to that next major area of support right here down below at where this thick black trend line is. So it would be at about 53.45 mark. So watch these areas of support and resistance here very closely tomorrow, and also look for confirmation with the MACD. And what I see here on the MACD is that we did have a little bit of a divergence here on the MACD. We're trying to head higher on the Q's daily chart, but we're heading south and pointing more south than north on the MACD, which is not confirming anything in here at the moment. What is going on with my chart? It keeps moving away from me. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so pay close attention to the MACD and always look for a confirmation with the Q's chart. So again, pay close attention to all major areas of support and resistance that I showed you here today, and look for confirmation with the MACD. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.